Here I have OPPO AX7 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then find and select fingerprint, face and passcode, and obviously select fingerprint. Now you have to enter a passcode if you have one, and finally tap on add a fingerprint. To do it, you have to turn your device around, and now tap on this place with your finger and do it several times just by tapping like that to add your fingerprint. And that's it. Now you have to select continue and place your finger on the sensor one more time. So just one more time, tap on here. And that's it. Tap on continue. And since now you can unlock your screen just with your fingerprint. So just turn your device around and tap here with your finger. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.